Alright, big group. I do too.
Got him.
No, that was me. No, that was me. You didn't shoot, did you, Johnny? Think Percy will get him? Yeah, he's definitely on the other side. That other one followed him down too. Keep him up there. Okay, that's awesome. You see that other one follow him down? Yeah, I know, but it was just cool how they followed him down. Where they at? Get him, Johnny. That was the mallards, wasn't it? I'm sorry. I was still shooting the woodies. I got a problem, guys. Almost. Yeah. Was that the two mallards? Cyrus. Was that? Was that the two mallards, Cyrus? Dang, you just missed that woody come by your head. Oh, hell no. Screw that. I ain't passing up ducks that close, cuz. That was a mallard, too. You see them two right there? That wind must be pretty good about 20 or 30 foot up there. Could you see them trying to cup? Cause when they were trying to cut right there, man, they were wobbling.
Woody, I ain't even fucking talking to you. You shut your mouth.
You come on over here, Woody. I'll talk to you.
Yeah, what the fuck you talking?
Don't worry about what the little red-headed boy says.
He says, huh. Ain't flying. You ain't dying, so you mean nothing.
What? It ain't froze. Sounds okay to me. You blowing it, you trying. You can't learn until you start blowing, son. Try it. Why? Well, earlier I was hearing some over there, and then I was hearing some over there. Nah, you good.
I think I figured out why
Just keep your eyes open.
I know where it landed.
Johnny's white hair is all out.
I think I know where it landed.
It ain't far in front of, I mean, it's right on the other side of the creek, but
There's a really big patch of water back there that you're landing at that I can see, and I saw it there, and it didn't even land.
Percy did me right, son. That's the only one I can claim this year. Huh? Why, you see him? You think you'll get Percy? You think he'll go after Percy? I mean, if you got to shoot him, shoot him. Don't shoot your dog, though.
Where's that?
Right there, he's coming right next to me.
Oh, I see him. Yeah, I see him.
I mean, do you want him dead or not?
No, I mean, I don't want him dead, but
Okay.
Where do you see him?
he's right out in front of us. Yeah, he's going away from Percy.
Come over here. No.
It's coming to Cyrus.
Don't fucking turn towards me.
Are you scared of a beaver?
This motherfucker's hurt, dude.
What's he gonna do to you? With what?
He's got damn sharp teeth.
Kidding me?
Somebody got that. It went down. I watched it go down. Somebody got that.
Oh yeah, you got him, Johnny.
And I watched the wing fold in, and he went down.
Where'd he go down at?
We're like 2 foot off the ground.
Oh my God, dude.
I watched it fall.
It's cold. Be careful, Johnny. As long as you're floating. As long as you keep floating, that's all right.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. 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 Yeah. appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement, yeah. There's no replacement for persistence, it's a patience, yeah. In this life, I wanna be soaring, to feel sun inside when it's pouring. And I'll fight till anxiety is foreign. I'm so sick of my mind's extortion. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah.
Come here. I got ducks over here for you to go get some. I know they're there. And one of them's a big one.
Go.
Here, Percy, here. He's cold. I get it. Percy, we gotta get you right, son. I know you cold, buddy.
He ain't got one for damn long. It needs replaced.
Alright, so So you see that white patch right there?
Yep.
That's one of them.
Okay.
The other one,
Close can we get?
we can probably get them up here.